and hit the notification. Thank you for your time. I love you all. Mwah.